This is the second time I'm filming this. I am cold today. I get a chill. I was out shoveling snow this morning. We got another big snowstorm. I think we got more snow than last time. Only I didn't lose power, so that was nice. But for some reason, I'm very cold. It's not really that cold outside. Like last time, it was really cold, but anyway, the wind is still really howling, so that makes it cold. So I have a wrap. I went to grab a sweater and this looked warm, so um, I guess in the last video, I don't know what happened to me last week. The days clicked by and I didn't really get a lot of sewing done. I had a plan for a video and now it's time to put out another one, so sorry about that. I don't know what happened to me. I don't know if I have the January blahs. Do you ever get those? It's one snowstorm after another and we keep, well, basically snowed in again on the weekend, and it's not that I'm going to be going anywhere, but I don't know. It's just kind of blah. So that's not very exciting things to tell you, but I've been busy working on a newsletter for my website, and I'm hoping that that will go out probably the first week of February. I was hoping for Monday, but I don't think it's going to be ready because I'm still trying to write something halfway intelligent. Anyway, and I told you before, I think, that I wanted to have it linked to everything, so it's kind of the theme of the month, which is me, and I did say that I was trying to get rid of some of the unfinished projects that I have laying around. Well, I was greatly mistaken by how many that I have. I have more. They're down here reproducing while I'm sleeping because I don't know where they're coming from. I actually just found this. It's all cut out, and I had lace cut out for that part, but I don't like it. I've used this lace before in a t-shirt project and it turned out really good, but I think it's too severe for a sleeve, I think. So I'm gonna use this for something else. And I found some fabric that I have I'm gonna do an overlay on the center front and do a lace sleeve, and I might do overlay here. We'll see. I don't really know what I even like about this pattern. Because those sleeves would be annoying to wear. I might add an elastic cuff or something. I don't know. So hopefully you will see that the next time you see me. If it fits. I don't know. It's been cut out down on this. Do you have this problem? You have a flat surface and you want to cover it with stuff? Well, that's what I'm trying to do, is get my counter. I'm going to turn you around and show you my mess. Habit. I'll make a thing. Turns out then I'll cut out 2 or 3 more. And then I only make 1 more or don't make any more. And I am cold. So, yeah, so then things don't get finished. So, I'm trying to stop that habit. I don't like having a lot of unfinished things laying around, but I have a lot. So, and I found this. I had all the circles cut out, so I sewed this together because that was just laying there. I did make a pair of pants. I just have to hem them. So I had another pair of these cut out, and it has added in section on the back. These are very comfortable pants. I really like this pattern. What's the number on it? Butterick 6668. And it has cuffs and it has pleat here. Now they're black. I did finish these. I just have to hem them and I just gotta try them on. But it has the pleats at the knee right here. And you have that section you have to put on. Oh wow, now the furnace has come on finally. But you have this section here. The light is just not working with me. So I just have to finish, make sure that this is the right length. I just have to try them on. So those are basically done. The zipper is in and they're covered in every kind of, see there's a little bit of elastic in the back. That's the front. But this is very stretchy fabric. And that is all I have for that type of fabric to make those pants. So now I have 2 pairs of pants since I get them hemmed. So that's very exciting. And what else did I do? I have my scrappy quilt is all cut out. Those, look at all those nicely, neatly. Now these are all, yeah, these are all sewn together. All of this is sewn together, but these are all my scraps. Are all cut and ready to roll. I get them color coordinated, sort of. And my old doll blanket that I found, it's all in here, ready to roll. So I haven't done any sewing on it. But I have it all cut out. So one step closer. So that's what I've been doing, trying to tidy up and get some things done. And I'm a little overwhelmed with how many things that aren't finished. So that's what I've been doing, trying to finish these things up. Of my table here is kind of exciting. Oh, I guess you can't see. Oops. So, yes, I can see the table, so that's good. And I got rid of 2 of these. And look what I have here. I cut these out. These are those grab towels that you make. And the toweling is all there, sewn up. It's just that or me sewing it together. I don't... Oh. There. I'll just back up. Oh, that light. The battle I have with lighting is crazy. Where can I put you? Okay. Oh, I can't believe how much. I don't know if I'm going to like this shirt because this is the fabric. It's right soft. It's like, I think you would call it embossed because it's got a velvet texture to it. But this would be a very linty sleeve, and then have that. But I think I'm going to overlay the whole entire sleeve, and then this part would be see-through. I don't know. I don't know where I would wear such a thing, but take care, everyone. Stay warm, and don't forget to go to my website and sign up for the newsletter so you will find out what's going on. All right. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.